Several companies now offer at-home gut microbiome testing and a report about which good and bad bacteria live inside of your digestive system. Some companies also offer personalized supplements or specific diet plans based on your personal gut microbiome. But how does at-home gut microbiome testing work? And can you really make health decisions based on the report you get back? To start the process, I bought a testing kit online. There are many companies that offer this testing for about $100 to $400, and the companies all have different methods of testing your sample. The kit arrived in a few days. First, you register your kit. To do this, you have to agree to the company's specific privacy policy. I decided not to use the kit from the first company I ordered from based on its privacy policy. The kit was a couple $100 less expensive than other kits, but I found their privacy policy was, well, not very private. Also, they sent me a tape measure to register my body measurements, which is not a scientifically necessary part of testing a gut microbiome. Then came the test. Currently, the only way to check what's in your microbiome is to test what microbes come out of your gut, if you know what I mean. Several weeks later, you receive a report about which bacteria the company could detect in your microbiome and their recommendations on how to improve it. This report is about your gut microbiome at the moment of testing. Your gut microbiome changes slightly every day because of the food you eat. But the experts I spoke with said that testing your microbiome should be done in the spirit of discovery. There are tons of limitations on what we can do with the information. Not looking for a pill that if you take it, everything will be better, or a food that if you eliminate it from your diet, everything will be fine. And remember, dietary supplements are not reviewed and approved by the FDA based on their safety and effectiveness. But researchers do have enough information to give general recommendations on gut microbiome health to everyone, whether you have yours tested or not. The best food for your microbiome is a diverse plant-based diet. A study from the American Gut Project showed that people who ate 30 different plants each week have more diverse gut microbiomes than those who eat 10 or fewer plants per week. Eat lots of fiber, which feeds the good microbes in your gut and helps them thrive. Eat fermented foods like kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi. Limit sugar and processed foods, which can adversely affect your microbiome. There are a lot of factors that affect your microbiome: sleep, exercise, stress, antibiotics, and where you live, for example. There is no one perfect gut microbiome, and everyone's is unique, like a fingerprint. But food is the fastest way to improve your microbiome. So how many calories you pull from your food, your body's ability to use vitamins, your blood sugar levels, all of these are affected by your microbes. And the food you eat today influences the kind of gut microbes you have tomorrow. If you eat fermented foods today, you will likely have greater amounts of beneficial bacteria tomorrow. And those good bacteria work with other good bacteria to produce even better effects. So no need to have a test done to support your microbiome. Just look at what you do 3 times every day. I'm Mary Beth Albright, and I report on food and mental health for The Washington Post.